what you've done looks really great, but it still seems a little cramped.
You know what? It's more than enough surface space for you and the girls.
I love it.
I mean, you've given us something definitely to think about.
Sarah and Mark are homeowners who have reached this housing gridlock. An apartment-sized kitchen and constant congestion on the main floor is driving this family nuts. A change is necessary. This couple is just at odds about what that change might be.
Hey, guys.
Hi, how are
Robert.
you?
Mark, nice to meet you.
Come on in.
Come on in.
This is the space.
We hear you guys have a problem.
Well, we moved into this place 8 years ago, and it was a duplex. And it still has that feeling of a small apartment. The kitchen is cramped. We just have too much going on in here.
Okay, so what's going on over here?
Storage and lovely workspace. See?
Right.
And there's very little room.
Yeah, I can see the problems there. So show me what's going on in the kitchen.
I'll show you what's not going on in the kitchen. This. Like, there's no room. Excuse me, excuse me. Look at our counter space. I mean, I've got like this to work with.
The other thing that I see here is that you don't have any closet space. Like all of the coats, the shoes are all sort of encroaching on this small area.
It's brutal.
The other two rooms on the main floor are small but workable as extra family spaces.
And this is our master.
A little outdated and small, but
But it's good.
Yeah, the problem is really in the kitchen. It's not working for us. I think the thing to do is to move. It's time to go somewhere else.
You know, that's not how I feel. You can't just uproot a family and take them across the city. We've got friends here, the school, my work.
Yeah, but you can get a job anywhere.
Well, you see
Wow.
where the stress is, right?
I suppose the only thing is if there was space that I could work at home. Part of the time, so my job's fairly flexible.
Right.
I could stay home a couple days a week, but as it is now, there's no space to do that.
to help them make a choice, I get the first shot at convincing them real estate is the way to go. We're about 10 minutes from your work, and there's a school right across the street.
Wow, let's see it.
We have a half bath right here as soon as we get in.
Oh, nice.
That is very nice.
But what I wanted to show you guys was this fantastic open concept here.
Wow.
Look at the fireplace.
Yeah, that's great. I've always wanted that.
Come on into this gorgeous kitchen.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Now this feels roomy. Go to the fridge, on your way.
I can go past you. Wonderful.
This one certainly has a lot more space for you guys.
Yeah, it definitely feels bigger.
We could actually put a computer there.
That would work really well, actually. We could keep an eye on what they're doing, even if we're not in the kitchen.
That's really a great thing. Counter space, storage.
It sounds like you want to stay here. This is
Right.
great.
You know what?
We're gonna convince her.
It's everything we wanted.
Well, there's lots more to see. Let's go
Okay.
upstairs. We're gonna go into the master bedroom
Oh,
Well, it's big.
and then come and see this space. So this is the fourth bedroom.
So there's lots of space, enough space for a kid.
Perfect, and we also have a finished basement. So come on in here. Finished rec space.
wow.
Wow.
This is nice. You know what? Our parents could stay down here when they come.
Yeah.
And it's bright.
And the icing on the cake is the price. Your budget is $600,000.
Yeah.
This house is currently listed at $519,900, $80,000 under budget.
$80,000.
We may even be able to negotiate that price lower.
That's tempting.
Great try, V, but I've got other plans for this couple.
I got you guys sorted out. This is gonna solve all of your problems.
Wow.
Take a look at that, eh? We're gonna open up that back wall and give you guys a double door.
Wow.
That's incredible.
Amazing.
It allows you to build a closet over to one side, so all of the stuff that you have, the coats, the shoes, then you're solved. Okay?
Great.
Amazing.
Absolutely.
So we can move.
You'll have ample space. So what we're gonna do in the kitchen, we're gonna give you one clear, solid counter. And you've got one good, deep cabinet all the way along. It'll give you 40–50% more counter space, upper and lower storage.
That looks great.
And gets better for you, my man. On the opposite side, we're gonna bring in a workstation for you. You'll have ample space. It's gonna be around 8 feet. Enough space for you, for the girls, and for you, Sarah.
Wow. That would give me enough room that I could stay home a couple of days a week and work, I guess.
Oh yeah, and opposite that will be your dining room.
Is that a bench?
Yeah, that's a built-in banquette.
Good idea.
Yeah, that's it. So more storage underneath, but this allows
Oh,
8–10 people, no problem. We're getting it right on budget. Your budget's $40,000.
Yep.
So we're right spot on it. And if you guys decide to renovate, I'm gonna put this plan into action.
Sounds great.
I mean, you've given us something definitely to think about.